Making candles at home can be a lot of fun, but you need to know the best essential oils for candles and what essential oils are good for candle making. Once you have a great recipe, it's important that your ingredients are high quality so they burn cleanly. This means using pure essential oils, as well as 100% soy wax chips or paraffin wax with no additives. If you're not sure which ones to use, then this guide will help. Commercial scented candles may be made with harmful artificial fragrances. Essential oils are an alternative to synthetic fragrances. Some benefits arise when using essential oils for candles. Candles based on essential oils can offer a cleaner burnt fragrance that won't release chemicals into your home. They can also provide a better ambience or mood because of the scents they emit. In addition, essential oils have therapeutic properties that can be beneficial to your health. For example, lavender is known for its relaxing effects, while lemon oil is a great energizer. Blending essential oils can create unique scents that are perfect for your home. When blending essential oils, you will need to make sure the scents complement each other. You don't want two oils that will clash when combined together. The best way to blend essential oils is to start with a small amount of one oil, and then add more oils one at a time until you find the perfect combination. You need to be careful not to add too much of each oil as they are potent. Here are some of my favorite essential oils for candles that are good all year round. Cinnamon oil. This is an old favorite of mine. Cinnamon has a warm, spicy scent that can be used in the winter and autumn months for home fragrance. Rosemary essential oil. Rosemary has a very intense herbaceous scent that is great to use during the spring and summer months, but can also be used anytime you want an invigorating scent. Grapefruit essential oil. Grapefruit has a light citrus scent that doesn't have too much of an overpowering pungent fragrance. This is great for year-round use in your home. Energizing orange oil. Orange has a sweeter scent that isn't quite as strong as grapefruit, so it's excellent to use all year round for home decorating. Pine needle oil. Pine needle is perfect during the winter months as a substitute for an evergreen scent. It has a very unique woody smell you won't find in other essential oils. Lemon oil. Lemon is another citrus oil that has a nice light fragrance, so it's great to use all year round. This is a great fresh scent to burn in your kitchen. Calming lavender essential oil. Lavender is a classic favorite that can be used in any season. It has such a gentle and soothing fragrance that isn't too overpowering. It's also great for stress relief. Cedarwood essential oil. This is a classic woodsy scent that has been used for hundreds of years. It's perfect for use during the fall and winter months to give your home a more rustic feeling. Patchouli essential oil. Patchouli has an earthy scent that some people like and some don't, but it provides such a unique fragrance you won't find in other essential oil candles. Bergamot oil. Bergamot has a light, fruity citrus fragrance that's perfect for use during the spring and summer months, but it can also be used year-round. These are just some of the most popular essential oils for candles, but there are many more to choose from. Learn more in the blog post.